guys, welcome to another barbecue video. This time it's going to be quite special. It's going to be a video I'm making about annual barbecue I'm making since about 6 or 7 years, which I invite some friends and family, and we have a lot of good time. And my specialty when I do this barbecue is pulled pork. So you're going to see, I think it's quite interesting. You know, there's not much secret about doing pulled pork. The important thing is you have to not go over 300 degrees, and you check the temperature of your meat, because sometimes, depending on a lot of things, how big your piece of meat is, it can take 6 hours up to 8 hours. This time it took us about 6.5 hours. My meat was about 140 degrees, so it was quite nice. So, like I said, I won't have time to explain everything to you, but I think the video is going to be self-explanatory. You're going to see it's very nice. I hope you like it. I hope you're going to try it, because it's very, very special, and the meat is so great. It's out of this world. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys. Ciao.
Ouais, on fait ça.